Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to merge files in KNIME. All right. So first up, just open up your project. Okay. Once you're in here, go ahead over to Nodes. Okay. Click on Nodes. Now look for either Excel Reader or CSV Reader. Okay. If your files are saved as a CSV, select a CSV. And if your files are saved to Excel, go ahead and select Excel. All right. So for this example, I have this file right here, which is for Excel, and here's the data. Okay. Now, as this is a merging tutorial, I'm just going to copy it and paste. So we have two files. Okay. Now what we'll do next is just go ahead over and right click to our desktop on a blank space. All right. Hit on new, select folder. Okay. Now go ahead and rename this whatever you want. For example, merge this like so. I'm going to copy both data, move it on the folder. Now, going back to the KNIME Analytics Platform, again, select Excel. I'm going to drag it in here under our workflow, then double click on it. Now, under File and Sheet, make sure under Mode, we select File in Folder or Files in Folder. Okay. Now, in here, we're going to want to select the folder. Click on Browse, Desktop. As you might remember, I have saved it on my desktop. Click on the folder, make sure that it is highlighted, hit on open. Wait for it, and as you can see here we have our merged data or merged files. All right, just hit on apply and hit on OK. Once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.